there is more to affiliate marketing. Read these tips to learn more. You've decided to improve the affiliate marketing of your website. That's great news. However, there is a ton of information that may confuse you on where to begin. No worries, here are some affiliate marketing tips. Listed are some tips that will help you get started and organized so that you can become an affiliate marketing expert. In affiliate marketing, you need to express to your readers that they can trust you. Do not post ads that you do not believe in or have any interest in, they will know. If you appear to be a phony condoning something you don't believe in, that will drive away your readers and they won't trust anything you have to say. To improve the exposure and visibility of their affiliates' products, savvy website owners will review those products on their website. Not only does this foster interest and potential sales among the webmaster's visitors, but the webmaster can also submit the product review to video directories and indexes, boosting the visibility of his or her own site. Pre-sell the offers that you want your readers to buy. Just adding a link to a product is not going to make you much money. Explain why you love the product and why you are someone they should listen to. Include the benefits that you have received from the products. Remember that with affiliate marketing, diligence is more important than effort. It is important to keep up with your website, post frequently, remember to leave business cards and flyers wherever you go, add links to interesting, current ads for your product to your email signature, and participate in other gentle, easy advertising techniques on a regular basis. It is not important to pound the pavement and try to push people into buying the product. In fact, this will lose you sales. You should feel better after watching those tips when it comes to affiliate marketing. It is a lot to think about, but at least you should have an idea of what to do and where to begin with the affiliate marketing of your site. In addition, you can always revisit this list if you need to. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.